The Oppo Find series pushes the boundaries of technology to constantly create new possibilities. Now, we're doing it again, awakening your senses with the new Find X2 series. Crafted from highly durable ceramic, every curve is deliberately designed to feel like an extension of you. For a visual experience that brings you closer to reality, we've incorporated a 120Hz ultra-vision screen that makes the screen smoother than ever. True billion color display refreshes seamlessly to present every vivid detail. So real that you'll feel like you're actually there. The best-in-class O1 Ultravision engine turns even normal frame rate videos into high-quality presentations. While the sound stereo system awakens a stunning, cinema-like experience into your hands. The Find X2 series also introduces a revolutionary Ultravision camera system that features a larger custom-made sensor and all-pixel, omnidirectional PDAF technology. So even in low-light conditions, you can switch and lock the focus between foreground and background seamlessly. Live HDR video recording captures videos with sharper detail in bright and in dark, while the periscope telephoto lens easily turns every photo into art from any distance. Our 65-watt SuperVOOC 2.0 flash charge, again pushing charging speed beyond the imaginable. The unique component configuration was designed for the era of 5G. We've set a mission to use technology to awaken your senses. And now, the answer is right in front of you. Oppo Find X2 series.